All right, y'all, so today is probably one of the best days of my sneaker career journey, bro. Like, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like, it's certain shoes that we wait for that y'all hyped up and we couldn't afford because the price was just too much. But this one right here, bro, hey, look, man, bro, this one right here, I've been waiting on this sneaker to retro and come back again. So y'all could do exactly what y'all did and let it sit on the shelf. Hey, look, let me tell y'all, everything ain't created equal, bro. But this steal I got for this Grail of mine, hey, we gotta talk about it. Let go.
I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I...
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and hey, I'm gonna tell y'all, man, today is a very good day, like I said, bro. Before we get up into this unboxing that I am super excited about, because I did let this sneaker go in 2016. I got it 2015. I ended up letting it go in 2016 because the price, the resale price was just way... I couldn't resist it, bro. I had to get that bread. But I knew eventually I was gonna be able to get into my collection. Y'all was trying to make this shoe unattainable, too affordable. And y'all put this shoe as the high echelon of Jordan 1s, bro. But hey, let's see what this 2025 version look like. Before we get off into this content, make sure you guys go and hit that subscribe button. Your boy, I greatly appreciate it. Now, all right, so we do have a box straight from Nike, as you guys can see right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up really quick. I'm gonna try not to show my address and stuff like that, because you know some crazies out there. But and y'all already know what it is by the thumbnail and stuff like that. But I just want to show y'all my raw and reaction, and I want to tell y'all if I think this sneaker actually is up to par, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, if the quality is off like people say it is. But y'all see the box right here. We do have that Shattered Backboard box. Just off rip, the box itself is crazy, bro. Like, this is way better than the 2015 pair. You see the glass, breaking glass everywhere or whatever. You got the orange Nike on there. Here got a size tag right here. As you guys can see, we're gonna go ahead and take this top off of these things right here. It does come in the white paper. You do have a lot number on the inside of there, and it does have a Nike check and stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and peel back this paper, and oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness that they didn't double wrap these things. You feel what I'm saying? Like, all these shoes been double wrapped. We have the 2025 Shattered Backboard things, bro. These things are nice. The leather looks good, quality looks good, tongue stiff. Like, man, hey, look, bro, I don't care what y'all say. This is just a quick unboxing of these things. I'll do an in-depth on feet. I just couldn't wait to open them up. But man, ain't nothing wrong with these sneakers. Hold on, let me grab the other one. All right, so as you guys can see right here, man, these things are nice. Like I said, quality is pretty good, man. Y'all see the tumble leather. Y'all see the wing logo right there. Super debossed on there. I like the fact that they did that shiny wings logo. We do have that side panel that's a little bit of a sail colorway when it comes to it, but not too much. The leather ain't bad, as you guys can see. People act like the leather just destroyed on these things because they say that the 2015 pair is immaculate, bro. Man, whatever. Yes, the orange is a little bit darker than your other pair, the 2015 version, so it looks more like a pumpkin. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But y'all see that toe box, man. Y'all see that toe box action. It's real nice. You got the black lace, goes up into the black nylon tongue, orange and white Nike Air on the tongue, you know what I'm saying? Shoe tree in there, just the paper shoe tree. Got the Shattered Backboard for the insole, as you guys can see right here. Do got that Shattered Backboard insole. Should be another set of laces in here. You got your orange set of laces that matches it, which I'll probably throw some sail laces in here. On the bottom is gonna be that orange colorway. Man, this shoe is fire, bro. Side panel on the inside, leather quality is crazy. Material is A1. I don't care what y'all say, man. I'm gonna walk out here into the sun, bro. Let's see what this sun talking about. Y'all see these things, man. Look at that, boy. These things fire, bro. I don't care what nobody say. I can't wait to put these things on feet. Quality is good, and you know what? Y'all see the price on the screen. This is what I was able to get this sneaker for, bro. I was able to get this sneaker for this price. One of my Grails. I had this in 2016. Y'all know orange is my favorite color, and I was able to sell it for like $550. And to be able to get it again for below retail is crazy to me, especially the quality and caliber of sneaker that this is, man. So y'all don't sleep on these. Bigger sizes are selling out a lot more than the smaller sizes. So it's gonna be one of those things that I do think these eventually gonna dry up, especially as we go into October. But you guys just don't mess with Jordan 1s like that no more. And hey, it is what it is. That's fine. Leave them for me. I'll go back and grab everything for the Lowski, man. But y'all comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions that you grab these things. Again, this is a must cop for me. Retail or under, no matter what, I was gonna add this sneaker to my collection. But here it go. Y'all see right here. The 2025 Shattered Backboard things. Super clean, man. Y'all comment down below. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Gone.